this is Shannon with Chic and Sassy Nails by Shannon. I'm going to do a quick holiday mixed mani using Nose So Bright. This is called Nose So Bright, like Rudolph. And this is a little accent nail pack that was out for the holidays called Baking Memories. And I'm just going to use the swirly nails and the, maybe I'll use the gingerbread too. I haven't decided yet, so we'll see. We'll see what I feel like once I get going here. So we are going to do this quick, kind of a down and dirty. So often on here, on my videos, I try to do some fancier techniques or some different looks. But today we are going to try to do just a quick, see how fast you can get it done sort of application. With it still looking good, of course. So I could have gotten this ready ahead of time, but I did not. So my nails are pretty strong, and but I like to keep them short. So I just cut them off. So they were much longer than this, but I didn't want. That looks like it's a weird piece. I'm going to just wait and see how that looks or where that hits. With my nails when I cut my nails short, I like it because my nails curve side to side. So like they're really curvy this way. So as they grow out, they get even curvier. And I just don't like it. So I am going to quickly throw on a basic set here. Again, this is called Nose So Bright. This is from the I think it was called Home for the Holidays. Something like that. Oh wait, I'm going to use the skinnier end. Sorry, I use the skinnier end for this pinky, and my other pinky is a little bit wider because I have a crooked pinky in my other hand that you'll see in a second. But it is a lot wider and it's curved. So this is just going to go on nice and quick. These are a beautiful red. I think this one's actually sold out. I think both of these sets have now since sold out. So unfortunately. So when you do your nails and you don't have any sort of base coat or anything on your nails, and if you have clean dry nails, you can reposition as long as you don't push the strips down really quick, super hard. I don't know if you saw me do that really quick, just then. So I need to clean up my edges a little bit. Not much. It was just just a little too wide. And I have a little extra here that I didn't get cleaned up, which I'll just pinch off here. Just grab it. Looks like I got a little part that got a little bit pulled too much off, but that's fine. If it bugs me, a lot of times I'll trim my nail or file it down if I have a little part showing. Which nail should I don't know if I'm going to do I'll just do one accent nail, I think, today. I don't know. Ooh, you know what? I think I'm going to do something. I'm going to do something that I wasn't planning on. So this is my trickier nail. It takes a little bit more finessing to get it nice and smooth because it curves in both directions. It curves side to side and from front to back. And that just makes it a little tricky for it to lay flat, but with Color Street, it definitely can do it because these are so thin and pliable. Anything that's thicker, any sort of sticker ones don't lay flat for me because it curves forward and, like I said, side to side. So I'll show you what I mean in just a second here. I'm going to try to Oh, maybe this is a little too short to do 2 nails. It's just a titch too short, so I'm going to get a new strip. Actually, I'm going to use this strip. I'll have to clean that up in a minute. And I'm not going to use the whole strip, so I will just all right, so I'm going to change my mind and I'm going to do a little, I had an idea that popped in my head, so let's see if it'll work. I am not a huge planner with my nails. I usually have an idea and then, but not, a lot of times it changes once I get going. Well, and I was going to do this like super fast, but now I think I'm going to do a little, add a different accent. We'll just see how it works out. All right, so I have 2 of the little swirlies, which I didn't realize they have like a shimmer, little glittery to them. And then I have 2 gingerbread men strips. So I'll see, let's see if this works out how I wanted it to. Maybe I will. I can't decide. Sometimes I do the wrong nail. I try to do the same accents on both hands. Sometimes I flip them because I just lose track of which fingers I'm doing, but for the most part, I like to have it be the same accents on the same fingers. All right. So what I want to do, I can't decide. Do I want to do 2 spirals, keep it simple? My other idea was to do like a peekaboo, or we could do a reverse peekaboo. What do I want to do? You know what? I'm going to put it on and see if I like it. Because what I'll do is I can keep it just 2 regular accent nails. Or I can put the nose so bright, the red over the top and having a little peekaboo. I'll just look at it now because that's all right. This is still a pretty quick mani, even with my change of direction once I got started. But well, I was just going to do 1 simple accent nail, and then I decided to try this. Okay, so we can do 2 accent nails. I'll have to clean these all up after. Or we can do 1 with like a little bit showing. Do I want to make it look like a candy cane with the side? Or we could do it this way, have a little reversed kind of French look going. Let me see here. I kind of like, hold on, did I get a little wrinkle in this? Sorry, I just want to smooth that out if I got a little wrinkle. All right, let me just smooth these all out, make sure I have them adhered really well and all the wrinkles are out. And then I'm going to think about this. Oh, and then which nail do I want to do? Do I want to do that nail? Or do I want to do like a half and half? Or just keep it simple? Oh, maybe I'll just keep it. Decisions, you know. I think I'm going to throw these in with. All right, let's just finish and then you can see. I can't decide. Can't decide if it's calling for something else or if it's just to keep it here. All right, so I'm gonna put my thumbs on and then look at everything and see what I think. I wanted it to be quick, so maybe we'll just keep it as is with the 2 accent nails. It's funny because I used to always do my accent nails as like this finger and my thumb would match, or my pinky finger and my index finger would match, and now I feel like it's definitely changes, and I've been doing more. Oh, that's barely too short. I wasn't planning on keeping this mani on super long because I'm gonna do another Christmas mani this week, which isn't really like me, but I wanted to start getting a few more. I have all these Christmas sets I wanted to use, so we're just gonna do it a little short on this side because like I said, I'm not planning on keeping these on very long. Because I have another idea that I'm going to do for actual Christmas. And these are my pre-Christmas Christmas prep nails. While we're getting everything ready. We are totally a wrap last minute family, and that's mainly because, well, this year we're not going to put the presents under the tree anyway, because we have a little Oliver puppy, a corgi puppy who named Oliver, who is a little stinker. Okay, so it's a little short on that side, but it is okay. What did I do here? Oh, there's a little. All right, so we're gonna keep it like this. We're just gonna keep it with the 2 accent nails with Nose So Bright. So that was a nice quick look. So I hope you guys, this is gonna be my getting ready for Christmas mani, and then in a couple days I'm gonna do another mani for Christmas weekend. So hope you guys have a great day. We will talk to you later. Bye-bye.